Hi boys and girls, today I wanted to come your way to talk and review a little bit more about shapes and also to have you try a little fun project at home. The shapes that we got to trace and cut out, please save them this week because you'll be using them for a little fun project with me today. It's okay if you threw them out. You can also, try to have a parent or a friend help you cut out some basic shapes. We're going to review today. And remember, boys and girls, how we identify a shape is based on its number of vertices and its number of sides. So if we looked at this shape with Mrs. Cloud, we could see that all the sides look equal, and we could see that it has 4 vertices, which makes it a square. We can also identify this shape, okay, as a circle. It goes round and round. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices. If I was to show you this shape, can you tell me what that shape is? Very good. That's a square. It has all 4 sides equal, and it has 4 vertices. This also is still a square. Remember, it doesn't matter if one's bigger than the other. You identify it based on its number of vertices or corners and sides. All right? So how are these shapes alike? They're both squares. How are they different? We're going to compare them. They're different by their color. One's blue and one's pink. And we can also say they're different by their sides. One's big and one is small. So lots of practicing math skills here, not just shapes, but sorting. We're also going to get to do graphing in a little bit with them. So let's go over this shape. If you know, tell me and whisper it. Awesome, guys. It is a triangle. We know that it's a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 vertices, and it also has 1, 2, 3 sides. Remember, it doesn't matter how it's turned. It just matters that you identify it based on its number of sides and vertices. So these two are still triangles, all right? Can you tell me anything about these shapes? How could we sort them, boys and girls? Well, one way is if I look at the color, I could say these 2 shapes are red and these 3 are all different colors, right? What's another way we could sort them? We could sort them by shape. I could say, yes, these 3 are triangles and these 2 are not. And let's review the count. How many triangles do I have? 1, 2, 3. And how many of the shapes here do I have? I have 1, 2. All right, so what do I have more of? Do I have more shapes that are triangles, or do I have more shapes that are different than triangles? Very good. I have more shapes that are triangles because 3 is more than 2. Great job, guys. So a really fun thing that I want you to do at home, if you review all these shapes and you have them, I want you to get to design anything you want out of these shapes. Now, you don't have to use all the shapes. I'd like you to try to use a few different ones because I'm going to show you what I made. Okay? So you can get to make a design. You can make an animal. You can, make an object out of them. And can you guys tell me what I made? I was thinking of spring, and I did not have glue, so I was resourceful. I used some tape. All right? Do you guys know? Did I do a good job? It's caterpillar. I was thinking of spring here. So the body and face of my caterpillar is what shape? Or should I say, are what shape? They are circles. Very good. How about what shape did I make the legs? They are rectangles, if you notice, because the shape of the legs has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. Very good, guys. And like I said, have fun. Practice your cutting skills. Practice your tracing skills. Play a little game like that of sorting, and if you wanted to, you could also count how many blue circles I have, how many yellow rectangles I have, and one more fun activity that I'm going to scan and give to your parents is this little fun monster sheet. So it's a little graph, and what it says to do, you're going to trace and color the shapes, and you're going to try to make them all the same color. So color all your triangles the same color, color all of your rectangles, your squares, and so on. Then if you look at the bottom of this graph with me, you're going to get to shade a bar graph of how many of each shape you see, and then you're going to write the total number in this box, and the grand total would be you're going to add all of these together. So really fun math skills today, guys. You can count, color, sort, graph, and also keep tracing those shapes. Awesome job, guys. Have fun.